Good morning, Mighty Rattlers. From me, Miss Tripto, and your entire admin team. Today is Friday, February 14th, 2020. Please rise, place your right hand over your heart, and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing with your right hand over your heart and join me in the Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence and reflect on the great choices you will make this lovely Friday. You may be seated. Celebrating birthdays today, we have Amy in second, Caitlin in first, Tiana in third, and Anna in fourth. And we don't have any birthdays tomorrow, but Sunday we have Valentina and Catherine's birthday. And Monday we have Karen and Gabriel's birthday. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing weekend. And those of you born on Monday, you got lucky because you get a day off. Have a happy birthday. Remember, today is Friday, but you are going to be responsible and own your own learning. Let's make sure that that next week we absolutely rock ADA. So make sure you're on time, dressed appropriately, and that you are going to sleep and eating healthy, and you're not just sitting on your phone or staying up too late, and you're getting a nice amount of rest this weekend and next week. We have a lot of things coming up fast, and we want to make sure we're well rested. Also, the weather looks extra nice next week, so we should be going outside every day for recess. So you don't want to miss that either. Our attendance challenge is for everyone that was here. This is a 5-day week. You had to be here every day this week and today, and you will be entered into our raffle. Special congratulations to the only 4th grade student who got 100% on the reading mock star. We are so proud of you. Congratulations, Noemi. And I have another exciting announcement for my 4th graders. Listen up, 4th grade. If you have been working very hard every single day and you've been dedicated no matter what, you're never complaining, you're never giving up, we are going to send you on a special field trip to Epic Fun. And the 4th graders that are going on this trip are Brianna and Angeles. Congratulations, both of you. I'm so excited. Also, 3rd and 5th grade, you are also allowed to go. And don't be sad, Kinder, 1st and 2nd, because next year you guys will get to go on these special trips too. So just keep up your dedication and hard work in class. Congratulations, guys. Continuing our celebration of Black History Month, we are focusing in on some Black politicians and civil rights leaders. This lady right here is Shirley Anita Chisholm. She was an American politician. In 1968, she was the first Black woman elected to United States Congress. In 1972, she became the first Black candidate for a major party's nomination for President of the United States, and the first woman to run for the Democratic Party's presidential nomination, as well as the first woman to appear in the United States presidential debate. She was a pretty cool lady. There's a lot of videos of some of her speeches. They're pretty amazing. You should watch them. Angela Davis is an American activist, philosopher, and author. She's actually written a ton of books, but she is, I think, over 10 in the on the U.S. prison system, social class, and feminism. As a teenager, she organized interracial study groups which were actually broken up by the police. Later, she joined the U.S. Communist Party and was jailed for charges related to a prison outbreak, but she was eventually cleared of those. And today you can find her at the University of California, Santa Cruz, where she is a professor, and she's continuing to lecture on civil rights and prison reform issues. Again, someone that has some amazing speeches that you can find as easily on YouTube. Please say the Rumberg Academy chant with me. Rattlers are respectful. Today I will treat myself, my school, my teachers, and my classmates with kindness. Rattlers are responsible. Today I will own my own learning. Rattlers are relentless. Today I will not give up. Also, rattlers don't come to school on Monday. Your teachers have some work to do, so we're taking a work day on Monday. But please, you do not have to come on Monday, so enjoy your long weekend. Make it a fantastic Friday and long weekend, and remember that choice is all yours. And happy Valentine's Day. And Rattlers, if no one else tells you today that they love you, just know that we love you and we always will. Teachers, please take a few minutes now to call the parents of students who are out. Have an amazing, amazing weekend.